how you can create Bitflyer account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in order to create Bitflyer account, first thing first, all you have to do is make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now to begin with the creation of your account, you'll need to first of all open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in bitflyer.com. You can also use the application, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. Now then, to begin with the creation of your account, create an account, click on it, which is located in the top right hand side corner. Now it's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to select the account type. So after you're done selecting the account type, entering the email address, click the sign up for free button located right at the bottom. It's going to ask you to verify your email. So a verification link will be sent to your email. So all you have to do is just select go to my email and verify. After that, you'll have to open up your email and then tap the verification link. All you have to do is just tap the verify my email button. After that, it's going to be verified automatically. Once you're done verifying your email address, it's going to take you to the interface where it's going to ask you to create a password first of all. So for the confirmation, it's going to ask you to type in twice. After that, it's going to direct you to personal info page. So here you'll need to go ahead and enter in the personal information such as your first name, last name, date of birth, nationality, your street address, your postal code, country, and all of these information. So click the continue button located right at the bottom. If you don't want to do this procedure, you can also tap the skip button located right at the bottom when you see the pop-up menu. And after that, it's going to directly take you to the other interface. You'll be taken to the home page indicating that you've successfully created your account apart from verifying your account. So in order to verify your account or in order to make transaction all sort of things, you'll have to verify it, otherwise you won't be able to continue the procedure. So in my case, I'm just gonna show you how you can actually verify. So just tap your verify your account button and this is gonna direct you to the page where you have to provide in all of the information that has been asked, such as your contact details, your personal information, your street address, and all sort of things. So in this way you can create Bitflyer account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.